educate a girl and you have educated the whole family. And this line perhaps best explain the importance of girl education. But we would like to know more about the importance of girls' education. And I am giving this task to Mr. Musawir. Welcome, Mr. Musawir.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I am here to speak few words about girls' education. As you know, that nowadays education is important for each and everyone. I mean for male and female. It is a powerful tool for development. In the world of progress and development, women play equal and important roles. Educated women are helping their families financially. Hence, in this competitive world, it is necessary that every girl gets her right to education. In older days, people think that educating a girl is not a good thing. People did not give much importance to girls' education. But nowadays, people have realized that girls' education is equally important as it is important for a man. There are some people who oppose girls' education. They think that educating a girl is the wastage of money. But I think it's absolutely wrong. Educating a girl is not the wastage of money. Education helps the girls to be financially independent. It develops the capabilities in them to fight against injustice, violence, corruption, and much more. Education expands the vision to see the world. Girls can take their own decision in life with the help of education. When girls are given proper education, they can further become a good teachers, lawyers, scientists, and much more. And also they can become a strong building blocks of a developed nation. Girls in some rural areas are still not given proper education. Government is currently taking efforts in these areas. Educating of girls will have a good impact on the economy of the country. It will lead to the progress of the country. Hence, education is important and it should be encouraged. Now, thank you everyone for listening to me carefully, and I would like to sum up my speech with a quotation. That's, you are lucky if you have pain in your life. You are lucky if you have pain in your life. The more painful your life is, the more you will shine one day. Thanks.